Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the port selection on your Xbox Series X. So if you're having internet issues, go ahead and try this. Now on the top, let's go to Settings, then go to General and go to Network Settings. Then scroll on down to where it says Advanced Settings, then go to Alternate Port Selection. Then we can go to Manual right here. Then we can select a different port. So there's 6 different options we can choose from. Now this could also help us change our NAT type from like strict to moderate or open. So let's select this one and then go to continue. Then we can go back to this screen and we can check out the NAT type on the right side of the screen. My NAT type says it's open. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.